That's bad. That's real bad. What are we doing today, Boo?
We are taking care of the car by taking off the old tires. So as you can see here, they're hella crit. Like, okay, the front wheels are kind of okay, but still need to be replaced. Here we have, from the side, it looks like a nice wheel, but it isn't. Like, the rim is on point, but then the rubber is out-rubbered. And we have some bird shit to, like, complete the design of the car look. It's very nice.
Yeah, like here.
Yeah. He said, like, you need to use that to put fuel in. And here we have a lovely wheel again with, only like 0.5 profile on it.
This is the worst wheel, I think.
It says hand cooked, but it's more like cooked.
Look at that. That is bad. That carbon, it's dirty.
To keep two tires because you have a hoarding syndrome, and the rest they will chuck.
So what's the plan? What are we saying? How long is this supposed to take?
This is supposed to take like 30 minutes max, but because we live in countries, or in a country and a neighbor country, they don't love efficiency, just time. So it takes them 2 hours, and I think the M4 is ready at 3:07, and it's now 1:18. So by that matter, yeah, we're going to chill inside.
Okay.
2 hours later.
Okay, so this is my idea, right? The tires are absolutely, they're messed up, they're destroyed. But I want to keep 1 or 2 of them so that I can actually make a glass table or like a flower pot or something cool out of the damaged tires. I think it will be sick. Femi thinks that it's just an absolute waste of time and it's just accumulating more junk.
Yeah, now I come across like a hater.
But she don't see the vision, babe. You don't see the vision. She doesn't see the vision.
No.
And that makes me want to show her the vision 10 times more.
Yeah, then do it, then show me. Okay, we take them home, 2 of them. You can have your pot on your table. Yeah. It's completely fine. But you're going to do it. When are you going to do it?
You don't rush greatness. I will do it.
No, I'm not rushing. I'm just asking out of interest.
I'm going to do it. You'll see. And you will see it too.
Yeah. We'll see it in the basement.
To continue.
Chilling.
Yeah.
Fresh Coke Zero would
So
be nice.
now we are going to try and buy some time. And we're going to go to this...
garden center.
Yeah, we're going to go there and we're going to find out what that's all about. While the M4 gets some new baby rubber.
Look at that nice electric joint.
Yeah. This is something that I would never drive personally. I really would not drive it. Even if you paid me, I wouldn't drive it.
Why?
It's crap.
Yeah, we both know that.
We are on a search for batteries. Looking for a specific battery. It's going to be an AGM battery, silver dynamic, apparently. And I'm actually pretty annoyed because today we were looking for, we were in one of these like bidding wars, and I had the battery and ended up losing it to some dude that decided he was gonna activate auto bid, so we ended up losing it. But it's okay because we're gonna go into this spot right here and we're gonna try and find an AGM battery, silver dynamic A6 for the E36. So let's go check it out. Okay, so we found some batteries and
well, I can see by looking at it that they are not the one, because we need an A6.
now, just for context, we're actually looking for an AGM battery. The reason why she says A6 is because we're looking for a Vata A6 battery.
Now, you can see there's no water batteries here, but yeah, it shouldn't be too much of a struggle.
These ones are
so we
kind
thought.
are similar to the one we have, but not exactly. The one we have is an 80, so it will say 12 volt, 80 amps, 800A. And they don't seem to have that yet.
As mentioned, we're looking for a water battery that happens to be called the A6. The reason why is because this battery is the perfect fitment for the E36. Unfortunately, no matter what we did, no matter where we looked, we couldn't find the battery.
The prices for batteries are fucking crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Like, why would you buy a battery here when you can just buy it online?
So we ended up having to resort to doing other things. And by other things, I mean listening to Femi tell me about home insurance.
We have different house insurances,
Yeah.
but I don't know the English wording for it.
What do you think it would be?
The house insurance covers elementary damage, like water, fire, and another one.
We successfully finished at this place.
No, we didn't. We weren't successful.
We were not successful, but we were successful in the sense that we went there and we did not find what we were looking for. So the hunt is still on. We're going to continue looking for this AGM battery. Hopefully we find it. If not, we'll just have to buy it online, I guess. This is like nothing, dude. Nothing. Oh. That's cool. That's bad. That's real bad.
So, what are you going to do with this footage?
I don't know. See.
Let's see.
What do you think?
Well, we don't have a big project like now.
Yeah.
Maybe like in a year or so. So I think you can just post it on your Instagram. And then when the time comes, you can post it on YouTube.
Maybe. We will see. You see?
Ah, it looks very nice,
Yeah.
I have to say.
So right now Femi needs a toilet and she's dying inside. Look at her. That's the look of somebody that needs a toilet. So we're gonna wait out here while they fit the wheels and Femi deals with her full bladder.
Hard shit regardless.